Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are starting right from the beginning. How to create your very first HTML file and set up the basic structure using HTML file. If you are new to web development, this is where it all begins. Let's jump right in. First, open any code editor. I am using the Visual Studio Code, but you can also use Notepad or any other text editor. Now opening the Visual Studio Code. Now we will create a new file, and here we will create a new text file. From here we will select the language as HTML, and then start typing the boilerplate code. For boilerplate code, we will type a exclamatory mark and then press enter. And this will give the boilerplate code. And we will now save the page. Save the file as index.html. And remember to rename it as index.html because the first web page should be named index.html always. Index.html. Now this file will be your first web page. Now let's write some basic structure of HTML. Here the doc type HTML here, it tells the browser then this is an HTML5 file. And is the HTML tag is the root element here. It is the root element. It almost covers the whole HTML file. The head tag contains the meta information and the page title. Here is the page title here. It will be shown is the browser's tab. Body. The body tag is where you write and visible content like hello world or something like that. Now let's write something. Let's change the title first. It is our first HTML page, so we will be writing my first HTML page. My first HTML page. And we have given the title here. Now we're gonna write something in the body part. Otherwise, it will show nothing. Let's write a head tag. H1 heading. Let's write hello world here. We have written hello world. Now let's open it in the browser. To see this page in the web browser, we need to go to the folder where it was saved. Now let's go to the folder. It's saved in the HTML tutorial. Now let's click it. And this is it. Here is my title. I gave it the title of my first HTML page. And this is the heading, H1 tag, hello world. And that's it. You have just created your first HTML file and wrote your first lines of code. In the next video, we will start adding more content like paragraph images and links. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.